This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glide bait. This unique lure is designed to imitate a wounded or fleeing baitfish, making it irresistible to large predatory species. Its signature side-to-side, S-shaped swimming motion is key to its effectiveness. Understanding this basic action is the first step to successfully enticing those trophy fish. We will cover everything from retrieve techniques to optimal gear for maximum success. To master the glide bait, begin with a steady retrieve, incorporating short, sharp twitches of your rod tip. This action makes the bait dart from side to side, mimicking a distressed fish. After each twitch, allow the bait to glide naturally for a moment, then pause briefly. Experiment with varying the speed of your retrieve and the length of your pauses to discover what triggers the most strikes from fish. Glide baits perform exceptionally well in clear to slightly stained water conditions, where their realistic action is highly visible. Focus your efforts around key structures such as submerged timber, rock piles, or weed lines where large fish ambush prey. For optimal control in casting, use a medium-heavy to heavy action rod. Pair this with a reliable bait casting reel spooled with 20 to 30-pound test fluorocarbon or monofilament line. For advanced tactics, try incorporating longer pauses into your retrieve, sometimes up to several seconds, to entice hesitant fish. Always observe for any followers and be prepared to adjust your retrieve speed or action to trigger a strike. Ensure your hooks are razor-sharp for maximum penetration, especially when targeting fish with bony mouths. Additionally, applying a fish attractant scent can significantly enhance the bait's appeal, making it even more irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.